Welcome to another edition of Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. He is Dave.
That's Wally.
So Dave, what do we got going on here today?
We have square tube wraps.
Correct.
So I'm going to show them the traditional way that we have our standard detail, if you will.
Okay.
What we have is a square tube pipe wrap. They come in 4x4, 4x6, or 6x6.
Correct.
Standard. We will make any size you want. To install this, you do base attachment, form it around, do your angle change first, go up, go out, right? We use water block behind the membrane at the top. We put the band on. Then we do caulking with our Flex Seal caulk.
So you put water block behind the band and then Flex Seal on top, correct?
Right.
Now, let me ask you a question. Is that really installed correctly?
No, it's not, because they never put the shims in.
So what you have is you have a square tube and you give it a round clamp, so you only get compression on the corners.
On the corners, right.
So you got no compression here. Now, can I just fill it with caulk and walk away and hope it works?
I would not do that.
No, probably
No.
not. So what is this for?
This is your shims
Yeah, so it kind of goes in.
on the flat sides,
Yeah.
so it pops it out.
So when you crank that down, it gives you compression all the way
Correct.
around. I mean, that's an option, right?
Oh, yeah, been doing it for years.
So we have another option here for, we're going to kind of eliminate really the clamp on this,
Yes.
this whole process.
Yes.
Here. So same thing, square tube wrap, welded just like you explained. Now I don't have a clamp here.
Right.
So we have our EPDM accessory tape.
But first, before you put that on, we got to put water block
Water
behind
block
there.
behind that.
Yeah, it's kind of a belt and suspenders thing.
So we have a primers. So now I'm going to prime the membrane.
Correct.
I'm going to peel this off and I'm going to stick it to it. So we have our two primers here. We have our standard primer. We have our aerosol primer.
Right.
Either one is fine.
Oh, yeah.
Which one to use.
Yeah.
So this is our accessory tape right here. So I've kind of measured this around, gave myself about a 3-inch lap. It's about 17 inches around here. I've already got it pre-cut.
You got your EPDM tape pre-cut.
Yep. We just kind of get this out of the way here so everybody can see. So again, this is 6 inches wide, so I'm basically going to split it. 3 inches up top, 3 inches below the top of that flashing.
Notice Wally's keen eye to get that on there. Look at that.
Now,
Perfect.
Now all I have to do now,
Is,
prime this lap.
that's right.
Let me get this kind of rolled in here. It's nice and tight at the top. No need for a clamp.
You may have missed your calling as a painter. Just saying. Pretty impressed.
Let's watch paint dry.
Now you have a 3-inch overlap, Wally?
Yes, I do, sir. 3 inches, thereabouts. Now, no need for a clamp.
Nope.
This conforms to the 4x4. Perfect.
Because it's EPDM tape.
There we go. Stay tuned for other videos at gif.com/roughingItRight.